Oh, got a train coming this way. We started this bike ride at the Dockus Lake Road Trailhead. There's actually another trailhead closer to the Big River crossing, if that's all you're interested in doing. We did, I think, what they call the Ducks Unlimited Loop, Park Loop. That's what it's called, Ducks Unlimited Park Loop. And then went across the bridge, came back. And between all that, I think we got about 9 miles in. It's a pretty easy trail to ride. I mean, there's no real big elevation. About the biggest you'll have is going up to the bridge and then going over to the Tennessee side. But that's about the gist of it right there. And of course, this is all paved road or paved trail. See the big town of Memphis, Tennessee over there, just across the river. Yeah, we were gonna go do a bike ride over in Mississippi when we were at Lake Chico, but it didn't work out. We were gonna go to Area 51. So, this is better than nothing. Gonna go do a mountain bike trail over there, but is this trail suitable for you?
You what?
I said, is this trail suitable for you?
How about you?
I'd prefer single track. Oh, let's see, I guess it goes up and over. It's just a view of Memphis and the Mississippi River. We'll get to see that quite a bit. Woo, now we got some wind blowing. All right, we're just about there. About to go under I-40. And the site of Hopefield. You do get some pretty good views of the Mississippi River as well as Memphis.
Come back here and take a picture.
I figured you were wanting some pictures. This was where the little town of Hopefield, Arkansas was. So cool. There's the pyramid. The trails were not busy at all. Matter of fact, it was pretty quiet out there, kind of peaceful in a way. Private drive. That's a private drive. Can't go that way. Do I? No, I don't know. Does this look like a trail or a road? I guess we can ride down it a little ways and see what we can see. Share the road. It's kind of a neat little area.
The big river.
The big river. Yeah, I don't know how far this goes. Yeah, they're pretty serious about their property stuff around here. Ducks Unlimited Park. Yeah, I am. Very much. Ah, look, I didn't see anything. All right, so we're hopping on this road here. What's the name of this road? What's the name of this road?
Is it Robinson?
Robinson, yeah. There are some sections where you'll have to ride on the road, share the road with vehicles. And we didn't run into any vehicles on these roads at all. I think they're mostly farm roads. This is a good activity to be doing on the first day of the year.
Yeah.
A single track would have been much better, but all right, going under 40 again. Oh, somebody lost a bumper. A bumper.
Man working.
On New Year's Day. Goes an RV. Class C. Goes a Jayco fifth wheel. No, there's the truck right over there. So there should be a road up here, that Dukas Walker Road. Yeah. We do have a headwind though. Does it go on that way? Or is that just a road? Share the road. It's a dirt road. No, it doesn't go that way. Are you coming? All right. We'll turn and go up there on our way back. I think this goes up, goes across the Mississippi, maybe? I don't know for sure. We're finding out. There's right there. Oh, this is cool. River crossing. You got a bike station here. Bikes you can use. And then maybe. That's not new for us. It's a misadventure, right? Oh, I guess now you don't go that way either. All right, here we go. Oh, this is kind of cool, guys. Kind of cool. Going across the old bridge. I think this used to be an old railroad bridge, because there's like one over there. But I didn't know you could do this. All right, we're over the river, man. We just gotta get her across now. Your love may be eternal, but your lock won't be. Items. Any items diminishing Big River Crossing structural beauty terribly removed. Please lock it down elsewhere. Your love may be eternal, but your lock won't be. What do you think?
Sweating.
Morning. Kind of noise with that train over there. Oh, got a train coming this way. Look at all that smoke. Welcome to Tennessee. You ain't drafting off of me. Nope, nope, I'm not. No, you're not. So how many miles did you get?
I don't know. I'm looking
All right, that was the Big River Trail. Pretty fun little surprise there. We were not expecting that. So when I got home, I looked up this Big River Trail and found out that it's part of a much larger trail system called the Big River Trail System. And from what I researched and found out was that they're eventually wanting this thing to follow the Mississippi River all the way from its headwaters up in Michigan, I think it is, all the way down to New Orleans. The portion that we rode what's called, like I said, the Ducks Unlimited Park Loop, which is 7 miles long. And then we did the Big River Crossing, which is only 1 mile long. There's other sections out here that you can ride, like the Levee Trail, which is 70 miles long. It runs all the way from Marion, Arkansas to Marianna, Arkansas. Then at Marianna, Arkansas, the St. Francis National Forest Trail picks up, and it's 42 miles long, and it starts at Marianna, goes through the St. Francis National Forest, and goes all the way down past Helena, West Helena, Arkansas. I think it goes to a place called Arkansas City or something like that. Thanks for joining us today on this little ride. And as always, thanks for watching.